To fix the Frigidaire washer error code E58, it is essential to understand the cause of the issue. Error code E58 typically indicates a problem with the washer's door lock mechanism. This mechanism is responsible for securing the door during the wash cycle to prevent water from leaking out. First, check the door lock for any blockages or debris that may be preventing it from closing properly. Ensure the door is properly aligned and the lock is engaging correctly. If the issue persists, inspect the door lock switch for any signs of damage or wear. The switch may need to be replaced if it is faulty. Next, check the wiring and connections to the door lock mechanism. Verify that all connections are secure and not damaged. If a connection is loose, tighten it. If a wire is damaged, replace it. Another possible cause of error code E58 is a faulty door lock assembly. If the assembly is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Before replacing the assembly, ensure that the issue is not with the control board or other components. To replace the door lock assembly, start by unplugging the washer from the power outlet. Then, remove the screws that hold the top panel in place and gently lift the panel off. Locate the door lock assembly and disconnect the wiring harness. Remove the screws that hold the assembly in place and lift it out. Once the new assembly is installed, reconnect the wiring harness and replace the screws. Put the top panel back in place and plug in the washer. Run a test cycle to ensure the error code is cleared and the washer is functioning correctly. It is crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions when replacing any parts, and to take necessary safety precautions when working with electrical components. If you are not comfortable with the repair, it is recommended to consult a professional.